So trigonometric table. Okay. So theta. So theta values is 30, 0, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Sin theta, trigonometrical value 6 trigonometrical sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Okay. First values மட்டும் வங்க பண்ணிக்கோங்க. sin 0 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and sin 90 value is 1. Cos theta equal to reverse. அதாவது sin theta values ஓட reverse தான் cos theta value. So reverse எழுதுங்க. அப்படியே 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So tan theta na we know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is the formula. So sin theta value divisible by cos theta value. Here sin theta value is 0 and cos theta value is 1. So 0 by 1 answer is 0. After 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Answer is 1 by root 3. Next 1 by root 2 divisible by 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 will be cancelled. Answer is 1. Next 2 will be cancelled. Root 3 by 1 varum. So root 3 by 1 answer is root 3. Next 1 by 0. Anything by 0 answer is infinity. Infinity means undefined. Okay. Next cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to reciprocal of sin theta. So sin theta values oda reciprocal return பண்ணுங்க. That is cosecant theta equal to reciprocal of sin theta. So 1 by sin theta. First value 1 inge here cosecant 0 degree na 1 by sin 0. Here sin 0 value is 0. So appo 1 by 0. Anything by 0 infinity. Next cosecant theta. So adu reciprocal 1 by adadu 1 by 2 reciprocal of 1 by 1 by 2. Answer is 2. Appo reciprocal return பண்ணுங்க. அப்ப root 2. This is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 answer is 1. Secant also this procedure அப்படியே reverse because cos என்ன பண்ணும் sin அப்படியே reverse எழுதணும்ல. So அதே மாதிரி cosecant என்ன பண்ணனும் அப்படியே secant வந்து cosecant ஓட reciprocal. அப்ப 1 2 by root 3 root 2 2 infinity. Next cot theta ன்றது reciprocal of tan theta. So taking அப்படியே reverse எழுதுங்க. So infinity root 3 and 1 by root 3 next 0. Okay, this is the table. Next example example 6. In triangle ABC is right angle at B where AB equal to 5 cm and angle ACB equal to 30 degree. Determine the length of the side BC and AC. So question, in a triangle ABC is a right angle at B. So right angle triangle draw பண்ணிக்கோங்க is right angle at B. So it is right angle, so this is B. So ABC common return பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Next where AB equal to 5 cm. So AB, this is AB. So this is a 5 cm and angle ACP. So in between center line irukku C. So angle வந்து சென்டர்ல மார்க் பண்ணனும். This is C. Okay. C is equal to 30 degree. So degree இருந்துச்சுனா டிகிரிக்கு ஆப்போசிட்ல இருக்குறது தான் ஆப்போசிட் சைடு. This is the opposite and 90 degree opposite இருக்கிறது hypotenuse and this is the adjacent value. Okay. So determine the length of the side BC and AC. So sin phi. So opposite value மட்டும் இருக்கு. So we know the tan theta formula. Tan theta equal to, formula is opposite by adjacent. Okay, so here tan theta value is 30. So tan 30 equal to, here opposite value is AB and adjacent value is BC, because we need to find out the BC and AC value also. Okay, so tan 30 value, so here tan 30. So the table tan 30 inga paakணும். So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So value is 1 by root 3. Then AB value is given, answer is 5 by BC. Cross multiplication, 1 into BC, 5 into root 3. Therefore BC value equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Next we need to find out the AC value. AC is a hypotenuse, and hypotenuse and given value is opposite. So hypotenuse and opposite formula is sin theta. So opposite side and hypotenuse side is related to sin theta formula, that is sin A, that is sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here theta value is 30, so sin 30 equal to opposite value is 5 and hypotenuse values now we find out. Okay, sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Okay, apply. So sin 30 equal to 5 by hypotenuse. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2, 5 by hypotenuse, and cross multiplication, 1 into 5, 1 into hypotenuse, 5 into 2, 10. Here hypotenuse is side is AC. So 1 into AC equal to 10. Therefore AC equal to 10 centimeter. Finished. Okay.